Adharshala is an extremely comprehensive, mindfully crafted novel document, very practical in its approach, and seeks to serve as a one-stop guide for an Anganwadi worker to be able to plan and conduct play-based learning activities with children in a multi-age, multi-skill, diverse setup in her classroom. The model curriculum, with its detailed weekly plans, activity plans, daily schedules, provides a spiraling of concrete, play-based experiential learning activities for the children which are aligned to the competencies and the learning goals suggested in the NCF. The document has been prepared after thorough on-ground research and study of the best practices of different states and other important supportive national and state level documents. All of this churned into a very practical, readable, comprehensible guide for the frontline worker to take up. The curriculum is extremely detailed, keeping the child and the context of an Anganwadi at its center. It has been designed in a way to provide practical and exhaustive suggestions on how an Anganwadi worker can tackle the challenges that she might face on a day-to-day level, with support and strategies on how she can deploy the support of an Anganwadi Sahayika to conduct and manage the center, with details on more than 150 activities suggesting how they can be conducted to ensure inclusion of all children, irrespective of their age, their skill, their capacity, the gender, and the overall learning environment. Other than this, there are specific activities which have also been provided for children to ensure and develop a sense of appreciation and sensitivity among them towards respect for diversity. 4-hour a day, 6-day a week plan has been carefully designed to respond to whole child development, catering activities to all domains of development with special focus on executive functioning, self-help, and social emotional skills. The curriculum also brings in activities that the children can take up to empower them in situations of identifying, understanding, and responding to safe and unsafe situations. The curriculum is a unique mix of structured, unstructured, and semi-structured activities, suggesting use of teaching learning materials which are essentially low-cost, no-cost, locally available materials. Details on how the entry and exit time for the children can be planned have also been provided. So as soon as the child enters the setup to the last hour of the setup, the curriculum provides what are these different kind of activities that can be conducted with children. From a morning hygiene checkup, to attendance, to talking about the day and setting the pace, to open circle time and free indoor play, leading to the evening time or the afternoon time where the children reflects on the day, recapitulates the learnings, sets the tone for what is going to happen the next day, clean-up time, and free outdoor play. The curriculum provides a thorough mix of carefully designed activities, ensuring a blend and a mix between flexibility and some kind of structure to ensure learning. Another hallmark feature of the document is the stress that it lays on consistent observation-based assessments of each child throughout the week and the dedicated time put in the calendar to have support, recap, and reinforcement of the learning activities at an individualized level. This is essential to understand individual child learning trajectory and provide support right from scratch to ensure progress. The curriculum adopts an extremely decentralized approach. It's flexible and provides guidelines on how it can be contextualized to suit the state, the culture, and the regional specific diversity. The Anganwadi workers can pick up activities and the schedule directly from the calendar basis and accommodating to their contextual realities, to the state academic calendar, to the festivals, celebrations, and other state-specific activities. The curriculum also suggests and lays importance on the monthly ECCE day, which as a placeholder has been prescribed as the 4th Saturday in the rolling week progression. This of course provides detailed activities and also adopts a flexible approach on as to when an Anganwadi worker can celebrate this day through her monthly cycle. With comfort of the child at its center, the curriculum is unexampled in approach as it provides a detailed introduction and induction plan for children when they just join the center. The plan ensures that the children can gain greater autonomy, confidence, and build rapport with the Anganwadi worker and other children in the center by suggesting activities whereby the familiar adults, the parents, and the family of the children initially join the center and participate in all activities along with the children and gradually wean off their presence so that the child can smoothly, comfortably transition from a home-based environment to now an independent and autonomous center-based, preschool-based environment. also noteworthy is that the curriculum, by way of suggesting weekly play-based learning activities that the parents and the families or the caregivers at home can conduct with their children to reinforce learnings at the Anganwadi Center, the curriculum seeks to strengthen the relationship between the center and the home of the child.